All right, today we're going to review conic sections. So we've learned about circles, ellipses, hyperbolas, and parabolas. Those are the four conic sections. We're going to review using a card sort activity on Desmos.com. At the end of the video, there will be a screen full of activity codes. You need to find the activity code for your algebra class or pre-calc class, and then that's the code you'll enter. First of all, though, go to desmos.com, desmos.com. This is a website that lets you graph, kind of like a graphing calculator would. And so if you want to use this, if you don't have a graphing calculator, this is a great place to start. Anyway, don't hit start graphing. You want to go to classroom activities. Once you click on classroom activities up here in the upper right, then you are going to sign in with your school email, or maybe it'll make you create an account. I'm not quite sure. But whatever you do, create an account with your school email. And then you're going to enter that activity code. Again, I'll give you the activity code at the end of this video. Once you get into the activity, it's going to look something like this. So mine looks a little bit different because I'm on the teacher end, but I just want to kind of show you how it's going to work. There are 4 slides and you'll click next to get through each one. And each slide talks about a different conic section or pair of conic sections. What you're going to do is you're going to take, oh, and by the way, you can make your screen bigger, just kind of play around with it. You really cannot break Desmos. But then what you're going to do is look at all of these little cards and sort them. So let's see, key vocabulary, center, and radius. Well, that would be a circle. This thing is going to have a center and a radius. And do you see how I kind of hovered it over that other card and then they kind of linked up? Now this guy's going to be in the way, so I'm just going to move him over here. What else do I know about a center, or I mean, something with a center and a radius? Oh, well, that's going to be a circle. So pick this one up with your cursor or your mouse keypad and just click it over and see how when you hovered it over, it kind of grouped it up. And so now you have 3. You're going to need to find the equation, I guess, since you have the vocabulary, you have the graph, and you have its name. Do any of these equations look like the equation of a circle? How about this one? Well, yeah, I guess that worked. But then when you get all done, I think it's going to allow you to check your work. I'm going to tell you right now that one doesn't work. And oh, and this was a good thing. If you can't really see it, then just click on it and that'll make it bigger. All right, so what I want to do is move that off of that group. So I guess I can just pull it back out. All right, so play around with that. And then once you get them all, you're going to have 4 stacks of 4 on this one. Once you get it all figured out, then you'll check your work. Then go on to the next screen, and here you're going to just look at circles specifically. I'll let you do that. And then this one will be matching information about ellipses and hyperbolas, and then finally about parabolas. Use your notes that you copied down yesterday to help you, especially with matching vocabulary. And then as you can see, this is looking for where will the focus be in what quadrant. So if you want to get back to your smaller screen, you can just click like so. And then I guess when you're all done, you're all done. I do have it collecting your email addresses, so I should know your progress. And then tomorrow we'll be taking a quiz over all of this stuff, and it'll be more like a Google form. So hopefully you have some fun with that and really kind of get a good handle on what vocabulary goes with each conic section, what equation goes with each conic section, and then of course, what would the graph look like, and what are some other key characteristics. Whoops, I don't want to match that up because that parabola definitely does not open to the right. It does open to the left. I could click that up. All right, there we go. All right, so I'm going to let you work on that. Here are your activity codes. So second hour students, you're going to want to enter WZ8773. So on and so forth. I believe these are case sensitive, so enter those as capital letters. And I'm going to leave the screen here for a few more seconds. Copy down your code. You could also pause the video to copy it down and then go to work, desmos.com. Good luck, everybody.